You're right.
Look, what sense did that make to put Mountain Dew inside of that gas fillings area? Like, for real. What made y'all think it was cool to do that? Because to me, that shit is not cool. Okay? It can mess up the engine, especially in the car like a Charger. Now, I don't know if it was a SXT, GT, RT, Scat Pack, Hellcat, whatever. I don't know. All I know is that engine finna be all the way messed up. And you got to pay a bag to get a new engine. Like, that right there, that don't even make sense. Like, did y'all notice that y'all ran out of money to get some actual gas? Or y'all just think like, oh, we got money, you know? And it's like, that don't even make sense. That don't even make sense at all. Like, y'all finna mess up that engine up. That's all I'm gonna say.